Great! Okay! Wow, good of the team. Are you trying your best to win this game? Alright! Okay! Alright!
Ano na si Jake? I want to do
Okay, stop moving!
Is that going to be live?
Stretch pa daw.
Kaya ba yan? Uy, extend pa ba? Extend!
Are we the winner?
Alright! So who won?
Let's go.
Which team? Alright, green team! Congratulations! Alright, all the students, please come here first, come here. You take a deep breath. Okay? It is very hot. Alright, thank you so much, students. And teachers as well. Okay, calm down, everyone, calm down. Yeah, drink water first, drink water. Take off your things, please. Yes, everyone, you still have 2 games, so you need to prepare yourself. Raise yourself for a lot of fun.